Well, the history of this building is actually very conducive to the history of real estate and commercial industrial real estate here on Long Island. This building was actually an industrial furniture manufacturing plant. Then they went from manufacturing to distribution. They're right along the expressway, easy access to the main arteries. They had good employee base, so they're able to grow their company. Then it got to the point where the company was very successful and they were able to stop their distribution. They sold the company. They turned it into a licensing agreement, which still lives on to today. But what do you do with a 70,000 square foot asset? So they turned it into a flex building back in the 90s. So this was back from the 60s up until the 90s. So from 60s to the late 80s, early 90s, they were using it for manufacturing, then warehouse. Then they monetized it because then the asset was empty. So what do? You rent it. They partnered with a developer. The developer was able to guide them wisely in dividing it into smaller tenants. So this manufacturing facility turned into what's called a flex building. It's part office and part warehouse.